Now we're going to set up our WordPress site for our DIY project. So the first thing you're going to be doing, make sure that your theme, again, is 2023. If you did anything to change any of the templates or anything like that, then what you do is you activate another one, and then you go back and activate 2023 again. That'll wipe out any changes that you made the last time that you used it, assuming that you've also done the entire site reset, using a reset. So you want to kind of wipe it and start from scratch. Okay, so to start this then, you're going to go into settings, your general settings, and I'm going to actually call this one DIY. It's my site title. See, it's going to come up right here, right? And my tagline will be do it yourself. Okay, that's my site. That's my tagline. Saving my changes. And there we go. Now I'm going to set up my pages. And for this project, we are going to be using 2 pages. You're adding new. I'm going to have an about page to explain exactly what people are going to be doing. And then I am going to have the DIY page. Make sure that you're publishing them. This is very important to publish them, because if you don't publish them, then they're not going to show up when you want to add them to your navigation. All right, so I'm going to put this one in the trash. I don't want that one, and I'm going to trash that. So here are our 2 pages. Now, when the website starts, when somebody comes to the website, you want to let people know, let the computer know which of the pages is going to be your primary, your first page. So you go to settings, go over to reading. You want to have a static page. So your home page is going to be the about page. Make sure you put all that in there, right? And save your changes. And that's going to be your home page. So the last thing to do to kind of set up is you're going to go to media, and you are going to go to your library, and you're going to be adding all of those images that you worked on so hard for the DIY page. Okay, and that's how you're going to be setting up your project for your DIY project in WordPress.